The Mistakes People Make, episode 47. At the moment. Something people often say to me is, in this moment, I'm doing something. Wrong. All wrong. We don't say in this moment, we say at the moment. Or you could say right now, or currently, or even as we speak. But never, never, never in this moment. Currently, Robbie is pretending to be a knight. He's a chivalric little robot. Right now, Billy and Rolo are looking at books. Neither of them can read. At the moment, Benny's off exploring the cosmos. He's gone too far this time. Right now, Nigel is reading your mind. Whatever you're thinking about at the moment, Nigel doesn't like it. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.